Oh, all right. Hey, Shante.
I wanted to make it.
Hey, Shante, what's up? Why you come to the party?
Oh, because that's the same day as waiting for me.
Oh, all right. But anyway, tell us what we had.
And you didn't invite me.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not. No, you did not.
Yes, I did. All right. Guess what we have.
You did not invite me.
Yes, I did.
So really, I'm not speaking to you.
Well,
I'm not speaking to you.
yeah, I did invite you. I say everybody's invited.
I didn't get that message, Domino, so.
Well, guess what we had.
I don't know. Spaghetti.
Yeah, and what I always talk about?
Corn.
No, come on, Ashanti. Say it. Come on, Ashanti. Just say the word.
No, I'm not going to say it. Why would I say it? Why would I invite me to the
I did invite y'all. I'm like, where's Ashanti? She mad because she thought I didn't invite her. Yeah, Ashanti, just say the word. Yes, I did, Ashanti. I say everybody's invited. And I let y'all know in advance. And she heard me, huh? Ashanti, I said the party was coming.
No, you did not.
Yes, I don't have. I don't have his number.
Oh, you had his number.
No, I don't. Well, tell us what we had.
I don't know. Chicken.
And what else?
Red beans.
No, we had no red beans. Just say pizza.
I'm not saying it.
Why? I'll make it up to you here.
No, you're not. My feelings hurt and I don't want to talk.
Well, that's your business.
I'm mad at you.
Why?
Because you didn't invite me to your party.
Yes, I did. I invited everybody.
Everybody except me?
Oh, what is,
I get it. I understand.
you understand what?
That you didn't want to invite me.
Yes, I did.
You don't like me and my kids.
Oh, you crazy. Now you're talking crazy. Well, you joking? So just do me a favor and say the word. Huh? So Shantae, just say the word for me. Huh? I can't hear you.
Pizza, y'all have pizza.
Yeah, them pizzas look good. Yep. All right. America, she said it. Rona, you heard her? Pizza, she said it. All right. Your mouthful. I can't make you say that right now. Well, not tell you chew your food and swallow it. Like I said, folks, I say don't. I'll tell you another time.